So in this video, you're going to know the best contact form plugin for WordPress 2020. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I make a lot of WordPress tutorial plugin reviews and I help people create an online business. So please consider subscribing. And also, if you watch the video till the end, I have a free bonus for you. So stay tuned. So currently I'm using Bluehost, one of the best web hosting for WordPress. Everything is very easy, and just for you guys I have a 70% discount. But anyways, let's get back to the point, the best contact form plugin for WordPress. So currently I'm just going to my dashboard. So all you have to do is click on plugins, add new, just going to do add new and just type Wpforms. And then that's it. And this one. So guys, a lot of people say contact form 7 is one of the best, but for me, I tried it out. It's heck difficult. Okay, I get so confused, but this one's really easy. So just remember, it has a pro version as well, but you can use the free one once you start using free, and if you're comfortable with it, then you can buy the paid version. And even if you want to buy, I have a 20% discount as well. The link is down below, but it's very easy to install a form. All you have to do is click on add new. So I'm just going to create a new page. First I'm going to create a contact form page. So just going to type contact now, just going to publish it. Now come back to my Wpforms, create your first form. And then I'm just going to create a simple contact form. You can start with a blank form, but if it's already created, then you don't have to put the efforts. So guys, that's it guys. It's just drag and drop. If you want, you can just drag and drop. It's very simple. Just remove my face from here. That's it. Okay, delete and save. That's it guys. Once it's saved, just exit it. And voila guys, you are done. Just copy this thing, Control C, Control V, update, and then you could just preview. So it's updating, just click on preview. And this is how the contact form looks. It looks really good. It's mobile responsive as well. So this is what you need, and it's very simple, and all the entries would come over here. Then if you go on settings, you'll get all the emails over here. So that's it guys. So you can paste the license, and that's it. So if you use my link, you'll get a 20% discount as well as 50%. So I don't know about this, but from me you'll get a 20% discount. The link is down below, and that's it. You can set the SMTP so it directly goes on your email ID, but I think so Wpforms is the best. Don't make life complicated. For me, I prefer Wpforms. Contact form 7 is heck difficult for me. I just don't understand it. So this is much more simpler, and it hardly took me 2 minutes. And if you are more interested towards more features, then you can upgrade to a pro. 20% discount. The link is in the description. And also guys, the bonus I told you. So the bonus is, it's a free crash course on how to build a WordPress website from scratch. It tells you how to create your WordPress website as a professional, and it looks beautiful, it looks awesome. And I also tell you the best themes, the best plugins, and you can learn how to install or build a WordPress website in just 5 minutes. Okay, it's a free training. You can go and check out 5 minutes. And also I'm gonna give you a bonus tip once you complete this course. So I have a paid course where I tell you how you could start to run a web design business from scratch. You don't need any experience. If you know how to create a WordPress website, you can start selling it to other people and companies, and it's an easy buck. It's a easy money. So you could do it guys. So I hope you really like this video. Keep it simple. Everything is simple in life. You don't have to make life complicated. Everything is done for you. And that's it, and thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. And don't forget to like. Don't subscribe, just like right now. Thank you.